Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is me, Nahil AI Bali, and I am 16 year old living in Faisalabad, Pakistan. Student at Rehan School Online Academy, also second batch foundation level in evening shift, and also a member of interview team department at Rehan Foundation. So today I have a very amazing topic. The topic is the wheel of life, and his speaker name was Bilal bin Saqib. In this video, The Wheel of Life, Bilal bin Saqib explained in very powerful and inspiring way how different parts of our life work together to shape our personality and success. He said life is like a wheel, and if one part of the wheel is weak, the whole wheel is affected. In this video, he talked about five important points that can help everyone improve their life. He started with a common but serious problem, the storage of water, and explained how small solutions can make big problem easier to solve. Then he proved that nothing is impossible if we have courage and determination. After that, he explained stress in both positive and negative ways, described the difference between a fixed mindset and growth mindset, and also shared that confidence and resilience are built over time, not something we are born with. His words were full of truth, experience, and hope, encouraging the listener to think about their life and make positive changes. So, Bilal bin Saqib began his talk with the basic human need, water. He spoke about villages in Pakistan where many people still face many difficulties in getting clean drinking water. Women in these areas wake up early in the morning and walk 2 or more kilometers to fill clay pots with water and bring them back home. This is a daily routine that takes a lots of energy and wastes their valuable time. Most men do not help with this work because they think it is against their pride. Bilal bin Saqib found a simple but effective solution to this problem, and a solution that made life easier for women without hurting men's ego. This story teaches that to solve problems, we must understand the solution and make change while respecting social values. So next, Bilal Saqib gave a very motivating message. Nothing is impossible. He said that when we decide to turn our dreams into reality, no obstacles can stop us. Many people use difficulties as an excuse to stop crying, but true success comes to those who face challenges instead of running away from them. He explained that courage and hard work are the keys to open the door to the impossible. This message fills the listener with new energy and makes them believe that no matter how difficult life gets, we can change our situation if we really wants to. So Bilal bin Saqib shared a different way of looking stress. He said stress is not always bad. He divided stress into two types: positive stress and negative stress. Positive stress pushes us to work hard, accept challenges, and do our best. It is a kind of pressure that motivates us to move forward. On the other hand, negative stress makes us weaker, lowers our confidence, and can lead to anxiety and depression. This type of stress happens when we believe from the start that a task is impossible for us. His main point was that we should see challenges as opportunities to grow, not as heavy burdens. So he clearly explained the difference between a fixed mindset and a growth mindset. People with a fixed mindset believe their abilities are limited and cannot be improved. If they get low marks in any exam, they quickly give up and think they are not smart. Bilal shared his own example. During his O levels, his grades were average, and he saw himself as just a normal student. But when he adopted a growth mindset, changed his thinking, and start working hard, he became one of the best students in a UK university and even won an award. This proved that hard work and a learning attitude can turn an ordinary person into an extraordinary one. Bilal bin Saqib also made it clear the confidence and resilience are not gifts we are born with. They are qualities we build through efforts, experience, and learning from failures. When we face problems, learn from them and do not give up, our strength and confidence grow. He said that every person has the ability to change their situation, but only if they believe in themselves, keep trying. So the final message of Bilal bin Saqib was that to achieve success in life, the most important thing is to stop worrying about what others think and focus on our own dreams. Many people will not understand our work hard or struggle, so we should not let their opinions push us away from our path. Challenges and failures will always be there, but they are not barriers, they are opportunities to learn. If we keep a positive mindset, continue to hard work, and never lose hope, we can guide the wheel of our life in the direction we want. The real secret of success is to keep our eyes on our destination and have the patience to face the difficulties along the way. This video shows that success is not something special people or lucky people can achieve. It is possible for anyone who is ready to work hard, stay brave, and keep a positive attitude. Bilal bin Saqib examples prove that no matter how difficulties life gets, if we stay true to our goal, we can turn the impossible into possible. This video also teaches us to pay attention to every part of our life because the wheel of life moves smoothly only when all parts are strong. It is a practical lesson that small steps can bring big results, and a positive attitude always leads to success. From this video, I learned that problems are a natural part of life, but what really matters is how we face them. If we keep a positive mindset, never give up, and keep learning, we can bring amazing changes to our life. I also understand that confidence and resilience are built over time, and every failure brings us a new lesson. No, I know that the most important thing for success are self belief and hard work. So I hope you like my English TEDx review. To until the next TEDx review, Allah Hafiz everyone.